Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to disable auto jump in Roblox mobile. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do this, you need to tap open your Roblox mobile app. So once you launch your Roblox mobile, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now simply tap on the three dots option on the top right hand side of the corner to access to your game settings. So once you tap on it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So once you're here, you can find the settings options right besides the people option. So simply tap on that particular option, and once you do this, you will be redirected to this interface. So now simply scroll down below to find the disable auto jump option right in the settings bar. So once you scroll down below, you can not find any option to disable your auto jump. This is because Roblox has not probably brought this option in the current version. We may have this option in the future versions, but currently you cannot disable auto jump in Roblox mobile. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.